In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a reminder email from Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so basically what we need to do is open up Gmail. Then from here, we need to click on Compose. Now, where it says new message, we want to go ahead and send that to yourself. So put in where it says to, put in your email address, and then subject, put in reminder. So whatever that reminder is. So now for this demonstration, I'm just going to put here my email, and now the subject's going to be call Craig, and call Craig now as the subject. Now where it says send, we want to go ahead and click on the right little arrow and click on schedule send. Now we can go ahead and schedule that to a later date. So we can choose tomorrow morning, afternoon, Monday morning, or we can custom schedule it to select date and time. So we can go ahead and choose a different date and time, and then go ahead and click on schedule send. Then from here, it's going to say sent schedule for Thursday 18th. So you can go ahead and view message and see that is scheduled for a later date.